In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply to University of Pennsylvania. If you're applying to Penn as a first-year undergraduate student, the process is straightforward, but it does require careful preparation. Penn uses a holistic admissions process, which means they look at your academic record, your recommendations, your writing, and how you've contributed to your communities. The first thing to know is that you must submit one complete application through either the common application or the coalition application, along with the required application fee. Before you start filling everything out, choose your academic home. Penn has 4 undergraduate schools, and you'll need to apply to one specific school or to a coordinated dual degree program if that's what fits your goals. This choice matters because your Penn-specific writing should clearly reflect why that school is the right match for you. So take time to understand the program you're selecting and make sure the rest of your application supports that direction. Next, gather all of your required materials. You should only submit one application during the admission cycle, so make sure it's the one you want Penn to review. You'll also need your official high school transcript and a school report, which are typically submitted by your school counselor. In addition, Penn requires exactly 2 letters of recommendation from academic teachers, ideally teachers who taught you in junior or senior year in core subjects. You'll also need a counselor recommendation. In some cases, you can include an optional 3rd letter from another supporter, such as a mentor, supervisor, or coach, if it adds something meaningful. Penn also requires standardized test scores, either the SAT or ACT. During the application stage, self-reported scores may be allowed, but official scores will be needed if you're admitted. If serious hardship makes testing difficult, such as financial barriers or lack of access to a test center, you may be able to request a test waiver instead. There is also a $75 application fee, although a fee waiver can be used if paying that amount would create a significant burden. Another important part of the application is the Penn-specific essays. These short responses help admissions understand your character, your values, and how you think. You'll need to respond to a gratitude prompt, a community prompt, and a school-specific prompt. Be thoughtful here and make sure your answers are specific and personal. Finally, pay close attention to deadlines. Early decision is due November 1st and is binding, so it should only be used if Penn is truly your first choice. Regular decision is due January 5th and is non-binding. If you're an international applicant and English is not your native language or primary language of instruction, you may also need to submit an English proficiency test. Give yourself plenty of time, stay organized, and review everything carefully before submitting.